Want to learn how to hide channels on Telegram? You can connect with people on Telegram groups or channel or talk with specific friends on the safe and dependable messaging app Telegram. It makes sense that you might wish to hide groups in Telegram if you have a lot of them so that no one can access them. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to hide channel on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Long tap on the channel box you want to hide. Tap on three vertical lines at the top right corner. Tap on Archive. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to hide channels on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.